So please connect with me through any desk. Today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable pen drive for installing the operating system. So please connect with me through the any desk. My ID is here on my screen. You can see that. Let me copy the inside data first. After that I will give you to install how to create a bootable pen drive. I will show you the demo. Please connect my PC through any desk.
Your ID.
ID is on my screen. You can see. Are you getting my screen right?
Right, but I'm not seeing it.
John, you got the ID? Hello, John? Are you getting control of my machine? Hello, John? Are you getting control of my machine? Please reply. Hello, John? Hello? Are you getting control of my machine? Okay. Now, John, minimize all the windows which is open. The people link also. And we're going to use the Power ISO tool for the installation process. Hello? Minimize all the windows. If you got the control of my machine,
I can't.
you didn't get any control.
Yes.
Okay. I am showing you the software which you use to create the bootable USB. The software name is Power ISO. You have to download that software in your computer. The software name is Power ISO, which you need to download in your laptop for creating a bootable pen drive. And also you need a pen drive. Likewise, you can see I'm already having a pen drive. The pen drive capacity is must 8 GB always. After
Yes.
that, we will start the installation of Power ISO. You can see my screen. I'm doing the same. I'm seeing here that as the installation procedure of Power ISO, which you are seeing right now. I'm installing the Power ISO. What to do? I'm showing you. Just give me some minute. Okay. Now the window has come. Do next and select all. Stop the auto start and close. If you want to register, you can register, but if you don't want, no need to register. And also you have to download the ISO image of Windows 7 operating system, which is 3.8 GB in size. Windows 7 ISO image. I have downloaded, which I have selected on my screen. You can see After installing Power ISO, you have to right click on that ISO image, go to Power ISO option, and from there click on Open with Power ISO. You will get that type of screen. If you want to register, you have to pay the company, or if you want to use the trial version, likewise I am doing here, you can use continue unregistered. Okay, now what to do? We have to go to the tools option. We have to go to the tools option. From there, we will go create bootable USB drive. From there, we will go create bootable USB drive. Are you getting my screen, John? Hello, John. Are you getting my screen? Please answer first. Hello.
Hello.
No need to. Are you getting my screen right? No need to connect the any desk if you have slow network. Okay. Just see what I am showing you. And next class I will give you to practice the same. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now just check the screen. After opening the Power ISO screen, we will go to the tools, and from there we will go for the option which is called created bootable USB drive. And for this you need a pen drive. The capacity of pen drive must be 8 GB. Okay. Now click on the icon. You will get that type of message. Do OK. And now do yes. After that, you will get another window like this. Here also you have to do continue unregistered. And from there, you will get those screen. You are getting that screen. Create bootable USB drive. The short screen is coming over there. Image file is already selected automatically. And destination USB drive, you have to select your pen drive. Likewise, I am doing over here. And then after, click on Start. You will get another alert like this. All the data in USB drive will be overwritten. Do you want to continue? Do OK. Now the process will start with it. Okay. What are the benefits we get by creating a bootable USB drive? The benefit is In a laptop, several times we got that there is no CD drive. In several laptops, we got that there is no CD drive and DVD drives are available. On that time, if we use that method by which we can install the system software into the laptop by using our pen drive or micro SD. Got it? John, do you understand anything? John, I'm waiting for your answer, John. Hello? Hello, John, please reply. If you don't understand, I will repeat again. So please reply. And adjust the camera also by which I can see you. I am not seeing you. I am only seeing you on the half face. I am seeing you on the camera with your half face. Hello, John, please reply. Okay, they have gone. Yes, you're audible over here. Now you can see after that process you will get that type of screen which is called writing USB drive completed successfully. Okay, and do OK and close this one. For testing that pen drive, we need the virtual platform, but in that machine virtual platform is not here. So we will test later on, but see how it's look like. After creating the bootable pen drive, the drive will show you like this, and by which okay. The drive will show you like this, by which you can understand that installation has been completed. And how we will install that thing, we will show you on the next class on virtual platform. Okay. Is it okay with you, John? Hello?